what'd you say, 21 in the front, 28 in the rear.
Yeah.
You've been out running the car. Do you feel good?
I mean, we tuned the shocks in, and then we did some wash, just checking temperatures in the wash and stuff. But yesterday's really the first time I got to rail it in the corners and drive it when we qualified. And we got one practice lap and one qualifying lap. And I was trying to take it easy. I don't want to make a fool out of myself, and everybody's counting on me making this car not work.
That's the biggest thing I want to touch on, man. You feel, from what I've got, is you feel like that a lot of guys are depending on you to kind of step out of the rock crawling world into the class one, the desert world, and you want to do these guys proud, and you want to do yourself proud, and you want to make it.
Yeah.
And that's really cool that you understand that you're making that move for the whole rock crawling world or whatever. But I think you're on definitely the right freaking track to me. I mean, your car looks great. It's beautifully fast, and that's one thing that I know. The desert racers think that the fabrication on our cars or whatever isn't as good as what they've got. But your car looks good, and I wish you the best of luck on it. I really do.
Well, I appreciate it.
Yeah, I hope you kick ass. That's what I'm looking for.
I hope I just finish.
I don't doubt that a bit. I mean, but it's good to hear you after you got a little time in the car and everything. You guys qualified pretty well respected. Like what, 7th or 8th?
8th.